Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us tonight. We're excited to explore the connection between nutrition and autism, and I'm excited for you to learn what I learned 15 years ago as a mom, and I have a child with high-functioning autism. Unfortunately, I didn't have the nutrition background and information that you're going to have tonight, but I was able to start flooding his body with lots of fruits, vegetables, berries, and good plant foods and whole foods that we're going to talk to you about tonight. A simple way to get it in his body, which helps him to not limit his diet. And I've seen many children with autism that do limit their diets, but this is a way in which it will expand them to eat more fruits and vegetables and a variety of them. And then we have a brainy breakfast that we're going to share with you that I use that for my whole family every single day. And it's really taken us on a path to better health. We stay out of the doctor's office except for stitches and broken bones, unfortunately, or fortunately, it's not very often that happens. And also it's helped me personally. I no longer have allergies, things like that, and I have a lot more vitality in my late 40s than I ever did in my 20s and 30s. So I'm excited for you to benefit from this information as well tonight.